That mink over there has a whole ass rabbit. I have to zoom in on that. He is literally just dragging a rabbit. That was insane. Was that a fisher? I don't know. Whatever it was, it had a whole ass rabbit. That's insane. Not once in my 20 plus years of fishing on this riverbank have I ever seen them take down a rabbit. Well, at least I know they're carnivores now. That is a first for me. A rabbit, though? Like, I've seen them take down small fish. Like, I knew they were fish eaters. But never once have I ever seen them take out a rabbit before. Lots of runners this morning. I hope I got that on camera. That was crazy. A whole ass rabbit. And I think it's either a mink or a fisher. All I saw was the brown long tail. And they were going back into the rocks, so I'm going to say it was a fisher. I could be wrong. It could be a little tiny mink. And he's out here doing big mink things. But that had me blown away. I'm baffled. I'm intrigued. Can you see my friend? I bet you can't see my friend. He's right in front of me. I know he's not imaginary. Nothing. Hey, there's my little buddy. He just popped up right next to me.